How to turn on clipboard on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn on clipboard on your Android device. Let's just get right into it. For that, let me quickly head over to my Notes app to show you what a clipboard actually is. So I can just go ahead and tap on any random chat here or notes, and then from there, to turn on the clipboard, what you basically have to do is tap on this clipboard icon right here. If you don't see it, tap on the three dots and you should see the clipboard icon there. I'll just tap on clipboard, and as you can see, everything, the clipboard is currently enabled. Tap on this toggle to turn on the clipboard, and all of the things that you copy, including photos, videos, screenshots, and other kind of text, will be here on your clipboard for a certain amount of time. Now, if you want to edit them, tap on edit, select the ones that you don't want, and then tap on delete, and you should be good to go. You can do the same thing for the other keyboard as well. So this is Gboard, which I'm currently using. If you have Samsung's default keyboard, the process is the same. Here you need to go to your keyboard settings. So I'll just tap on keyboard, then go to Samsung keyboard, and here you should find the option for clipboard. If you don't see it, just switch to your Samsung keyboard and you should find the clipboard option right here. If not, tap on the gear to go to settings and tap on the three dots to go to menu. Here, tap on plus. You should find it somewhere here, and then you should see the keyed clipboard here and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.